Hello and welcome to Simply South. I'm Harish Upadhyaya. Time to look at all the major stories emerging from South India, and we begin with Tamil Nadu. It's a showdown between M.K. Stalin, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. In fact, after Amit Shah came out and said that post Bihar, BJP's next target is Tamil Nadu, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has now slammed him, saying that the state will not bow down before BJP's arrogance. Stalin further even added that even an entire battalion of RSS people will not be able to electorally influence Tamil Nadu. Stalin said, and I quote, "Tamil Nadu will remain insurmountable for the Saffron Parivar to scale. If you come with affection, we will embrace you. If you come with arrogance, we will resist and defeat you."
அதனால்தான் அமித்ஷா போன்றவருக்கு நம்ம மேல எரிச்சல் பேசுனாங்கல்ல. அண்மையில கூட என்ன பேசினார் அவரு? பீகாரை ஜெயிச்சிட்டோம், அடுத்த டார்கெட் தமிழ்நாடு தான் சொல்றாரு. மாண்புமிகு அமித்ஷா அவர்களே, நீங்கள் உங்க சங்கி படையே கூட்டிக்கிட்டு வந்தாலும் உங்களால் ஒன்றும் இங்க பண்ண முடியாது. இது தமிழ்நாடு, இது தமிழ்நாடு. எங்களுடைய கேரக்டரையே புரிஞ்சிக்க மாட்டீங்களா? அன்போட வந்தா அரவணைப்போம், ஆணவத்தோடு வந்தா அடிபடைய மாட்டோம், எதிர்த்து நிற்போம். மீண்டும் சொல்றேன், அன்போட வந்தா அரவணைப்போம், ஆணவத்தோட வந்தா அடிபடைய மாட்டோம், எதிர்த்து நிற்போம்.
2026 में इस तमिलनाडु में फिर से एक बार एनडीए की सरकार बनने जा रही है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी एआईडीएमके की सरकार बनने जा रही है। तमिलनाडु की जनता इस बार डीएमके की सरकार को उखाड़कर फेंक देगी।
In fact, this is a fresh showdown as Tamil Nadu heads into polls early next year. This time round, the BJP and Union Home Minister Amit Shah making it clear that after winning Bihar, the next target for the BJP is Tamil Nadu, but M.K. Stalin saying that that's something that will not be possible for the BJP. In fact, CNN News 18's Poonima Murli now joining us for more on this. Poonima, clearly the BJP making its intentions clear, saying that it's Tamil Nadu which is their main attention or focus point after Bihar, although Tamil Nadu and Kerala will pretty much go together in terms of assembly elections early next year.
Absolutely. The DMK president making it clear that in Tamil Nadu, there is no scope for the BJP. Remember, this at a time when the BJP is working on strategies to make inroads in a state like Tamil Nadu. All eyes on how BJP now holds discussions with the AIADMK in terms of seat sharing. While on the one hand, BJP is also trying hard to make inroads in Tamil Nadu and working on strategies. On the other hand, DMK making it clear that in Tamil Nadu, it is going to be difficult for the BJP. Bihar and Tamil Nadu are not the same. It could have worked in Bihar, but it won't work in Tamil Nadu. And also adds that quote-unquote arrogance will not work in Tamil Nadu. It's only when somebody shows love will that love be reciprocated by Tamil people. That's something that M.K. Stalin said, but war of words only escalating. BJP now hits out at the statement made by M.K. Stalin, says that DMK is definitely not going to win this time, and that people are angry with the DMK. That's the rebuttal that's coming in from the BJP, Harish.
Absolutely, and Poonima, we've seen several elections in the recent past, a lot of discussion around the role played by RSS workers in that election at the ground level in a very silent manner. Stalin perhaps referring to that, saying that even a battalion of RSS workers won't be able to capture Tamil Nadu.
Absolutely. Also, a reference made to the recent Tirupurukundram issue. Remember, the politics continues to snowball even as the Madurai bench is hearing the case. BJP time and again portraying DMK to be anti-Hindu. And DMK says that will not work in Tamil Nadu because DMK has never been anti any particular religion. That's something that DMK continues to maintain, even as the BJP now links the Tirupurukundram issue to the Sanatana Dharma remarks that were made by Udayanidhi Stalin. All these clearly will be one of the key narratives by the BJP as well in the run-up to the 2026 elections. And also talking about that, MK Stalin says how many ever people come and work on strategies here, it is not going to work. So that's the response by DMK to the BJP and the RSS as well, Harish.
Absolutely. Stay with us, Purnima, because